Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I'll be making the famous KFC bowl. Okay, so I started with the chicken, I seasoned it, now I'm mixing everything up. Got the flour ready, now I'm getting ready to put them in the oil. Okay, so now I'm just turning over each piece so it could cook on the other side. Okay, now that the chicken is done, I went ahead and started boiling my potatoes. After that, I had mashed them up. I took some of the skin off, but I left some on. That's how I like it. Now I'm just seasoning the mashed potatoes. Okay, now I'm just mixing it up really well. And then once that was done, I started on my corn. I added seasoning and butter to the pot. Now that the corn is done, I went ahead and made the gravy. Yes, I'm using chicken gravy. That's the one I like. And now you just see me making my plate. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.